welcome to CruzieTV. I'm Erica, and for those of you that are new, welcome. I'm glad that you're here, and if you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video so you don't miss any of my videos. If you're not new, I'm glad that you're back. So today I have for you guys a couple of really quick and easy treats for the holidays. I know a lot of us are going to holiday parties and gatherings, and I know that a lot of us are busy and don't have time to always bake, or we're just lazy to do it. So these treats can all be done in 3 quick steps. Let's get started. Alright guys, that was my video for today. As you can see, these treats are so easy to make. 3 steps. It's crazy. I hope you guys try it and make them for your friends and family. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CruzieTV, just like it is here. And for now, I'm going to go enjoy this cookie. See you later. Ugh, not subscribed. Ugh, subscribe. Stop spinning. Hey guys, welcome to Cruzie. Why am I going like this? 3 steps involved. What? Ugh. And don't forget to subscribe. That means like.